Right, Tesla fam, let's talk HomeLink, right? Guys, today I'm going to guide you through setting up and using Tesla's HomeLink feature to actually control your garage door, right? So if you're ready, guys, let's dive right in. So what I want you to do, guys, here at the top left, I have put for you the, an outline of all the steps I want you to do. So to actually access the HomeLink settings, this is what I want you to do, guys. I want you to just start by tapping on the controls icon on your Tesla touchscreen. And then, guys, you want to navigate to HomeLink. Okay, navigate to HomeLink under the Quick Controls menu. Okay, to actually add a new HomeLink device, what you're going to do is tap on Create HomeLink and just follow the on-screen instructions. And your Tesla will ask you to name your HomeLink device. You can pick something like garage door. All right. And next, what you want to do is actually pair your garage remote. So hold your garage remote near the Tesla's front bumper. Okay, and you want to actually press the button on the remote. So what's going to happen is your Tesla will detect the signal and pair it with your HomeLink. And once it's actually paired, guys, you want to return to the HomeLink menu and you want to tap Test. Okay, tap on Test to ensure your Tesla can actually control the garage door. And if it works, guys, you're good to go, right? And for added convenience, guys, you can actually set your Tesla to automatically, open and close the garage door as you arrive or leave. So in the home link menu, you want to just adjust the location based settings on to your preference, right? It's literally that easy and simple, guys. And that's it, guys. You can enjoy seamless garage door control with HomeLink. You just want to hit the link in the description, guys, and you can find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, actually,